Hello and welcome to English Comprehension. This particular task is called Devon Cream Tea. So let's go through this. So recipe for making scones, and the following are ingredients. So the ingredients that you need to make scones are as follows. So 225 grams of self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, 55 grams of butter, 25 grams of caster sugar, and 150 milliliters of milk, along with 1 egg that's beaten up and mixed up. So what's the method of making scones? So let's have a look. So heat your oven up to 220 degrees Celsius. Mix together the flour and salt and rub in the butter. Stir in sugar and milk to make a soft dough. You'll need to knead lightly on a floured surface until about 2 centimeters thick. So you get your flour and your dough all mixed together, and you roll it out with a knead, and just make sure that you've got a little bit of flour on the surface when you're actually rolling it out, and it has to be roughly around about 2 centimeters thick. Then cut out rounds and place on a lightly greased baking sheet. So you cut out the rounds. How do you do that? Well, you get some stencils, so round bits, and you put them in the dough, and you make round circular shapes from them. Brush the tops with the beaten egg. So on top of these particular round pieces, you just get some egg with a brush, and you just kind of paint over it, just to get that eggy taste and flavor. Following up, bake for 12 to 15 minutes, and then once you've taken it out from the oven, just cool it on a wide rack. Okay, so a cream tea is a traditional dish often enjoyed by people on holiday in Devon. Although it is sometimes available in other parts of Britain, it consists of 1 or 2 scones served with clotted cream, strawberry jam, and a pot of fresh tea. Clotted cream is a thick cream made by heating full cream cow's milk using steam and leaving in a shallow pan to cool slowly. Many people like a cream tea served on a china plate. Homemade strawberry jam is considered best for a Devon cream tea. Served freshly baked scones, still warm from the oven, cut into 2 halves. A scone is harder than a cake but softer than a biscuit. And believe me, I have been to Devon and I have tried Devon cream tea, which includes scones with butter and jam with a fresh pot of tea, and it is absolutely delicious. So have a read of this particular task again one more time, and then you have some follow-up comprehension questions to answer thereafter. Good luck with this.